All right, we're gonna set up the top because this is gonna go in the top here, and this part's gonna go in the for this direction. I like to add plumber's tape. All right, we're gonna set up the pressure gauge, and I like to actually add a little bit of plumber's tape. All right, and the reason is that it just gives it a lot more pressure. So get rid of the old one first, pressure, and then we're also going to use the washer that from the existing valve that I had. All right, so we're going to do that. So if you're just about there, look at that. So that's perfect. So we got the viewing port and then the gauge. Let's see how much pressure we're going to get in there, and then of course we're going to also set these up so they could actually have some pressure in there. So we're going to put in some plumber's tape. I like to put plumber's tape on everything, and make sure you have these washers on everything too. See, I have plumber's tape. I like to put plumber's tape from experience. I always do now. We're going to put the cotton balls in here. Going to make sure that this goes in here first. Line it up straight. It's very important. Cover it up. All right. You don't want any cotton balls. Make sure it goes beyond, beyond the minimum, at least near the max. All right. Right now they're shrinked up, but when you add water, they're gonna raise up a little bit more, and you're gonna see above the actual minimum. If you see that you don't have enough, you can always replace and add some more. So right now we're adding the water so we can see how much. And we have it fixed. Make sure the washer, this silicone washer is set up or it's gonna leak. So we got that in place. We're gonna bring the brace. That's it. We're gonna turn it up. Hold the button down. All right, let's go review. All right, so these two right here are coming from the pool into the filter on the side. If you guys can see, this is the filter's basket. It goes into the pump. All right, this is the pump right here, and this is the pool. All right, this is the only thing I don't like, the crossover right here, but if you have enough slack, it should be good enough. And make sure you put plumber's tape in there. So we are gonna tighten it up a little bit more, but look at the pressure on this. Look at that. Working really well.